Alright, this video is going to be how to tell your tire size on your Honda Accord. So, on any of the tires, you'll see these numbers right here. The first number is 215. That's the width of the tread, the part that actually touches the road. The 60 is going to be the height of the tire. And the last number, which is the most important, is the diameter of the rim, the R16. These two can be different, but if this one is not the proper number for the rim, the tire won't be able to mount. So this is the third digit is most important, but the first two do change depending on the vehicle's trim level, the type of motor it has, you know, and the weight of the vehicle. But the diameter of the wheel, that's most important because that'll determine whether you can mount the tire onto the rim or not. Now the 95 on the right is the load index. That particular number 95 means that one tire can hold up to 1,500 pounds. So the T after the 95 is the speed rating, which equals about 118 miles per hour.